Welcome back to another video. And before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will start doing giveaways for you guys. Now let's get into the video. Nanotechnology is the manipulation of atomic molecules. If you don't know what atomic molecules is, an atom is made out of neutrons, protons, and electrons. And for nanotechnology, right, it has to do with atoms and molecules. And molecules are made out of two atoms that is made out of the same material or different materials. Now, nanotechnology is used in a variety of items. For instance, bandages, solar panels, food products and packaging, hand washes, socks, and etc. Nanotechnology also has advantages like advances in disease treatments such as cancer, better imaging and diagnostic equipment, energy efficient products such as fuel and solar cells, improvements in manufacturing that allow for durable, lightweight, efficient production tools, etc. Now, why is nanotechnology important? Why is it so important that it's gaining people's eyes as of right now, and why is it gaining more popularity? Now, nanotechnology is so important because it can have the potential to solve many of humanity's problems. It can have the potential to actually change a lot of problems that we have as of today. Now, nanotechnology was first discussed around 1955, 1959, by a renowned physicist, Richard Feynman, in his talk, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." Now, as time moved on and time progressed, nanotechnology was starting to actually gain more popularity and gaining more people, or just gaining more and more people into that actual how can I say it, in that actual category of science and technology. I mean, it wasn't really a thing until around the 80s when it started becoming a major part of science and technology. And the growth of nanotechnology was around the modern era. Okay, that's around like 2000s and around like 1980s. Now, as of right now, nanotechnology does have its potential in a lot of categories or a lot of places that we humans actually use or be in a lot. So, for instance, how humans use clothes every day. We wear clothes every day. We choose clothes that we want to wear out. We choose clothes that we want to sit down in and just relax. Like, we use clothes every day, no matter what. That's 24/7. Now, nanotechnology can change how clothes are seen. For instance, you can jump into a water. Like, say, for instance, you want to go and run and jump into your pool, right? And when you jump out of the pool or get out of the pool, your clothes are soaking wet, right? But nanotechnology can change that. Nanotechnology can change how your clothes soaks in the water, and actually can make your clothes not soakable at all. Meaning that if you use nanotechnology in your clothes, right? If you get clothes that were made with nanotechnology and jump into a pool of water, right? Your clothes might not actually be wet. Your clothes actually will be dry. Well, as if you're wearing it, you might feel dry. Now, you think it would be dry because of nanotechnology, and it is. If you think about it, nanotechnology can have a lot of fundamental changes in a lot of things that we do, as in food and packaging, meaning that it can hold out water because of the nanos or the atoms that were actually manipulated and changed in a way. And honestly, as I see nanotechnology, I think that nanotechnology will be a big part of human society and how our society is, and especially how we do things, since nanotechnology isn't really a big part of, well, it's becoming a big part right now, but it's not everywhere. For instance, it's not like everywhere. It's slowly progressing to becoming an everyday thing in everybody's lives. Now, if you like nanotechnology and you're interested in more of these videos, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one. And I'll see you later. Bye.